Hi, welcome back to Thame Cars and another addition to a great bunch of cars we have here at the moment. This is a 19 plate Corsa 1.4 and it's a sport version, so more of a sporty feel than an actual sports car, but still very nice. Got alloy wheels, beautifully perfect car as you expect from Thame Cars once again, with a 5-star customer rating from Trustpilot. It's so easy for us as a sales team to sell cars like this when they're in this good condition. Yeah, all smells fine as well. That's what you want. Obviously, nice amount of features on the car. Good amount of space. 5-seater. Do you want to see? Just open up the boot. It's a good, honest car. Sell this to my gran. Nice, clean car. Obviously, with Thame Cars at the moment, we've got 7.8% APR running, both PCP and HP deals. Nice, well-spec'd car, good mileage, and it's been serviced by us and had a 100-point check. Might not just be for your gran, might be some other loved one. I shouldn't really stereotype these things. Great car from Thame Cars.